Copy, over. Griswold family, I repeat, scoop shooting. Griswold family, copy. Do you copy?
I was like a mess, like legit a mess. I was just like sobbing and sobbing and sobbing. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very special video, and that is a Stranger Things video. Completely love this whole season, you guys. I can totally see why it took 2 years to make. And I completely fell in love with the character Alexis, or Alexis, I don't know his name, how to say it. But am I really a true fan if I don't know how to say his name? But anyways, I did fall in love with him. I thought that he was like the cutest thing ever. And just in general, I just, like, there were no words to it. Like, to the humor, to the drama, to the horror scenes. I mean, everything was literally so well made. They literally left me shook. And you guys, it made me cry. Like there was no tomorrow. Like literally, I could not stop sobbing because just the things that happen in there. Like I don't want to spoil it for anyone if you guys haven't seen it. But I mean, I was like a mess. Like legit a mess. I was just like sobbing and sobbing and sobbing. And my mom was like, what's wrong? And I'm like, the show, mom, the show. And then it's like, it's just a show. And I'm like, it's not just a show. It's Stranger Things. Hopefully you guys like this video. I did get inspired by this photo right here. I really did work hard on this video because like I said, I make them after each season. So I really do try my best to like try to replicate and just kind of like right away when you see it, like, oh, you know, it's Stranger Things. But hopefully you guys like it, and without any further ado, hello everyone, welcome back. So to start off, I'm going to cover my whole wall in black. I'm going to be using 2 big table covers in order to achieve that. Once that is done, I'm pulling out my blue glow sticks and I'll place them right on the middle of my wall. I'm doing 2 lines because basically the mall sign has very neon lights. And also there were like a little bit of an issue to like literally get them in the wall, so I use tape, but like once you turn off the lights, then you don't even like notice the tape, so we're all good. The next step is to put my Star Court Mall letters. I did these letters to the best of my ability to replicate the font. They don't have to be perfect by any means because, well, like I said, we are gonna turn off the lights, so yeah, don't worry about it, but just try your best to like literally make them the best letters that you can. Also, I got my cardboard from the dollar store, so it was like very like inexpensive. I think like each cardboard was like 69 cents. Next step is to take out some lights and place them right underneath the mall sign. And once I have a few pinned, I'm going to cover them with a red tablecloth. I went with this idea because in the end, the actual mall was just a distraction because the Russians were really trying to open the gate underneath the mall. So this was my idea behind it, so this is why I decided to do it like this, and hopefully you guys get it, and because it does kind of make sense in a way. To make it more gruesome and like an actual gate is opening, I'm taking some black trash bags and just crunching it and pinning it against my wall. The reason I chose trash bags is because it's so easily molded into whatever you want, and you literally get the perfect effect from it. I'm then going to use 2 black table covers and use them as curtains, and I place them almost in a triangular way. The reason I did this is because we are gonna use more lights, and you'll see right now where I'm gonna put them. So the lights that I'm gonna be using again, I'm gonna put them on top of my ceiling, but this time I'm just gonna like literally stay inside the curtain area and not outside, if that makes sense. I'll cover them with another red table cover. And literally, you guys, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just see like what works and what not. Like, it did take me a while, even though like right here it's showing that I did it like in like less than 4 minutes. But take your time, don't rush, and just see what looks best, and you will get like amazing results. And this is to represent the sky, that there is still evil in Hawkins, and that the Mind Flayer hasn't gone away yet. Lastly, I decided to tape some glow sticks. Now, these were supposed to represent like little fireworks. And right now it looks a little bit of a mess, but like I said, once you have all the lights completely off, it looks amazing. And literally, I cannot have the lights all completely off because then I wouldn't be showing you guys anything. So like once you do have like your little party, then believe me, it's gonna look amazing. So So that was it, you guys. Hopefully you guys liked this video, and if you guys did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below. Hopefully you guys are enjoying your summer, and hopefully you guys are enjoying it more with this series that you guys are seeing right now. And like, if you guys are rewatching it, then I'm in that crew right there, because I just keep rewatching every episode because my life's a mess, so why not? And I hope that you guys are enjoying your summer, which honestly right now I can say that I'm having one of the best summers ever. Like, I'm trying a lot of new things, I'm meeting a lot of new people, and just in general I think I'm stepping out of my box, which is something that I always really wanted to do. Something happened to me, which hopefully I'll make a video later on, but that really kind of pushed me to just move a little bit more forward. So thank you guys so very much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Should I stay or should I go now?